If you have a tax-free savings account called usually TFSA, you might think you're using it correctly, but most Canadians are making at least one costly mistake. The TFSA is one of the most powerful financial tools available, but if you don't understand how to use it properly, you could be paying unnecessary taxes, missing out on massive investment growth, or even getting hit with CRA penalties. In this video, I'll break down the 3 biggest TFSA mistakes Canadians make, how to fix them to keep more money in your pocket, advanced TFSA strategies to maximize your wealth. If you're serious about growing your money tax-free, you don't want to miss this. If you're new here, hi, my name is George McConechy, Portfolio Manager at Novus Pro of Raymond James. I help Canadians make informed financial decisions, minimize tax burdens, and plan for a secure retirement. The TFSA is often misunderstood and misused, leading to missed opportunities, unnecessary penalties, and inefficient investment choices. So today, I'm going to walk you through how to avoid these costly mistakes and how to actually use your TFSA the right way. Mistake number 1, thinking of your TFSA as just a savings account. One of the most common and costly mistakes Canadians make is treating their TFSA like a regular savings account. Many people leave their TFSA's fund sitting in cash, earning minimal interest. They think of it as a short-term savings fund rather than what it is, a long-term tax-free investment tool. Why this is a problem? The biggest advantage of a TFSA is not just tax-free contribution, it's tax-free investment growth. When you keep your TFSA in low-yield savings options, your money is barely keeping up with inflation. Over time, this reduces the true purchasing power of your savings. How to fix it? Instead of letting your tax-free sit in cash, consider investment options that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Mistake number 2, over-contributing and getting hit with CRA penalties. Another huge mistake Canadians make is accidentally over-contributing to their TFSA and getting charged penalty. The CRA limits how much you can contribute each year. If you exceed that limit, you'll pay a 1% penalty per month on the excess amount. Many people withdraw money and try to replace it too soon, triggering an accidental over-contribution. Example of an over-contribution trap: you max out your TFSA at the beginning of the year. Later in the year, you withdraw $5,000 to cover an expense. A few months later, you try to put that $5,000 back in. The problem? Your contribution room isn't restored until the next year. Now you're over-contributed and CRA will charge you a 1% penalty per month until it's fixed. How to fix it? Before making a TFSA withdrawal, check your contribution room and plan your deposits carefully. Mistake number 3, holding U.S. dividend stocks in a TFSA. Most people don't realize that not all investments are truly tax-free in a TFSA. If you invest in U.S. dividend-paying stocks, you'll be charged a 15% withholding tax on your dividends. This happens because Canada and the U.S. have a tax treaty that doesn't apply to TFSAs. Example: if you hold U.S. dividend-paying stocks in your TFSA, a portion of your dividend income may be subject to withholding taxes. This means you're losing money unnecessarily, even though the TFSA is designed to be tax-free. How to fix it? If you want to invest in U.S. dividend stock, hold them in an RSP instead. The tax treaty allows RSPs to avoid U.S. withholding tax. Now that you know what not to do, here's how to get the most out of your tax-free savings account. Max out your TFSA every year. If you don't use your contribution room, you're missing out on years of tax-free compounding. Prioritize growth investments. Since your gains are tax-free, your TFSA is best suited for long-term investment strategies based on your financial plan. Use it for retirement. A TFSA can be an excellent tax-free income source in retirement, especially if you structure your withdrawals properly. Finally, the TFSA is one of the best financial tools available to Canadians, but only if you use it properly. If you want to make sure you're using your TFSA the right way and optimizing your investments, I invite you to book a free consultation with me. Click the link in my bio to schedule a time, and let's build a tax-efficient investment strategy that works for you. We'll also talk about Novus Pro, Snowball, and how dividends can really enrich your life.